Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Susan and I have a backyard butterfly garden. I'm actually turning my entire backyard into a butterfly garden with no grass at all. It's all gardening spaces. This is a vlog style channel, and you just hang out with me, and whatever I'm doing, you come along and do it with me. Everything from butterfly gardening projects to raising caterpillars, and come inside the caterpillar nursery and see everybody and release butterflies with me and go garden shopping with me and go visit other gardens sometimes too. So it's really fun. If you're looking for particular information, usually on my videos I do chapters. So if you look in the description, you can look down and see the topics that are in the video. So if there's a certain thing you're looking for, you can use that to find it. Thank you for checking out my channel. I hope you decide to subscribe and stick around and say hi to me in the comments. I love chatting with people there. Have a great day.